You were the champion.
Hello guys, sharing you another race of Jabril in our very
You
home
were the
city,
champion.
Danao. So happy kayahang lola kay makakita gid sayang apo nga mo race, and this is best of best good ni Jabril always pag na-ay race. But sadly, medyo naibati na nahitabo because in Danao exclusive, murag naprotestaan ako ang pag-umangkon, which is naka-first hit na daw siya. So we tried to gather some information. It's because daw special category ang Danao exclusive for the beginners. But the fact is, ang nakadaog sa Danao exclusive, dili siya beginner. We are not opposing sa nakadaog, but we just want to relay na dapat fair ta sa ato ang rules. Kay we are very proud na Danawanon mi. Akong manghod, mubutar gihapon sa Danao. Ang among mga pag-umangkon, magsige gihapon bisita sa Danao, and we always instill in their hearts and minds na taga Danao pod sila.